Rumor has it some severe thunderstorms are coming through. We had some last night. I got a little damp in this setup. It's what you get with Chinese tarp. Around 1 o'clock, one around 5, one around 7. May include some high winds. I think this will all hold up, and I've got her set up in porch mode so I can sit in my little chair and watch the storm. The storm's starting to move in. Wind's blowing pretty good. You can see there's clouds in the sky. Kind of an eerie color up there. Good storm blowing through. I guess this may put a damper on some people's thought processes about going camping with me. See these trees blowing over here and really getting a run. It is doing some serious raining. So this is one of 3 that's supposed to blow through today. Okay, this thing's not letting up anytime soon. I didn't eat lunch today. We were gonna go out to eat lunch, but not in this stuff. So I'm heating up some water under this steel, and I'm gonna do some of this brown and wild rice. And inside here I've got some tuna stuff, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna throw some tuna in it. I think I'm gonna try that Thai chili tuna. That ought to be pretty good. Yep, the Thai chili tuna, my brown wild rice. And yes, I am eating that with a Becker Necker knife. I've got a fork and a spoon somewhere, but as you can tell right now, I'm hunkered down here. I feel better having something warm in my belly, but it's still raining here a few hours later. Well, I gave up. It's still raining. Been a while longer, and I decided that what I really needed to do was just, if it's going to rain all afternoon, I'm just going to relax a little bit. I think they were supposed to be a storm at 1, and then a storm at 5, and then a storm at 7. So what I think is really going to happen is the storm at 1 is going to run into the storm at 5. It's going to run into the storm at 7. That's going to last all night. So, of course, in the hammock, all my cooking supplies right outside this zip bug net. If I gotta just hang out, I just hang out, and I think you can see there, I've got my little under quilt pulled up, and I'm good to go. So I'll catch you after a little nap. Sometimes it's not easy being right, but our 1 o'clock thunderstorm has now officially run into our 5 o'clock thunderstorm. Yeah, I know, you can see, right? I am no longer in the hammock. Nature had called and, well, left me no choice but to respond. So, but it was a great nap. But yes, it is now 5 o'clock thunderstorm time, and it has not stopped raining at all. So that means most likely the 5 o'clock will run on into 7 o'clock. And, well, you see where this is going. Rain all night long. But I think I finally got this hammock set up and adjusted just right for me. It's really nice and comfy, and it's turned off cold. I've got a long sleeve shirt tucked in that box underneath the hammock. It's the only long sleeve shirt I brought, and just by sitting out here, I'm gonna have to say it's at least low 60s right now, because with this 20-degree underquilt cinched up and everything, I'm really comfortable. So it's not too hot. So everything's working out well. And everything's staying really dry. So grateful for that. I'm sure sitting here I'll get bored and check back with you guys in a little while later. It lets up rain just a little bit. I am going to go right out there to Jared's little trailer. And I am going to take a few M&Ms out of his trailer. I'm not hungry, but something a little sweet would be nice right about now. Those M&Ms are just calling my name. Also, not real sure if Jared will come back while it's raining. And if Jared doesn't come back while it's raining, then that means he won't be back tonight. It'll be interesting if Jared gets a motel while he's in town and leaves me out here in the woods in my hammock. Would he do that? I guess only time will properly answer that question. But either way, rain lets up. I'm going after the M&Ms. Oh yeah, baby. Well, I guess you've guessed by now. It hasn't quit raining, but the desire for M&Ms has overwhelmed me. So dug through my laundry area, just under the hammock there, found my raincoat, and also went out to the trailer and found the M&Ms. So before anybody really judges me, you should know that this M&M bag has family on it. And since it has family on it, Jared and I are practically family. So that means that not only does he have M&Ms, but that means I also have M&Ms. So I'm going to indulge in some M&Ms, and who knows, maybe time to crawl back in the hammock and take another nap. It's amazing how bored you can get after hours upon hours of sitting under a tarp with nothing to do but eat M&Ms or cook food or sleep. So I decided I had a great idea. I would get up and go see our neighbors, because there's a few other tents around here, and there's one guy that's got this huge canopy and all these people are under it. I guess, you know, they're having this big party thing and there's people to the right. So I thought, I'll just be neighborly. I'll go see them. I mean, give me something to do, and who knows, maybe they'll have a little Davy Swiss roll or something. But I think it'd be better for you just to observe for yourself. I'll even get well to show you. Now, so you notice something here that's missing? Somewhere while I was resting in my hammock, you guessed it, they all left. So I guess if I wanted to, I could just go raid their stash and see what they've got and pilfer a little bit. I always get in trouble when I get bored, and I'm on the edge of boredom, insanely bored at the moment. But they all had cars. And they took their cars to go somewhere where it's not raining, like in a nice restaurant, to have a hot meal. Or maybe to the movie theater to catch a movie, or I don't know. All the hikers have left as well, but they were on their way out anyway. You should have seen them coming out of the woods, packs on, just running, trying to find some place to stand. And there's no shelter here, so they just kind of stood under the sign that shows you where the trails are and where they go, the length of them, you know, the little information stand, which really didn't keep them dry. And one by one, they ended up running to cars and hightailing it out. So honestly, I'm the only guy left here in this whole camp facility now. Just me and my hammock and mine and Jared's M&Ms. And you know, he's got sandwich meat in there and some bread. I may make a sandwich. I may make 2 sandwiches. Anyway, I will come back to bore you momentarily, I'm sure. Look here, there's cars coming in. I wonder if that could be my neighbors. Won't you be my neighbor? There's a white rig. And there's the white truck. So I've got an SUV, white SUV, a white pickup truck, and a black SUV. And then here comes the other truck that drove down to the end. Surely they didn't just drive here to go use the restroom, did they? Let's see what they're gonna do. Yeah. Here, honey, here's yours. Now go have a nice poopy. Let's see who's up there. Yes. I am spying on people. Oh no, it's a banana. I wonder if it's some secret agent. Is there banana agents for the U.S. government? Or is that actually Big Bird and family? I wonder if that's possibly a cloaking device and they believe that it makes them invisible. Or if I've just been bored out of my mind and that's not really Big Bird right there. That is so Big Bird. Big Bird is in the campground. And the ghost. I'm going to sit over here all by myself by my hammock and pray they don't see me. Or they may try to turn me into Big Bird. That, my friends, would be horrible for me to be Big Bird. I just ask that if, after this broadcast, if you don't see me anymore, know that the government Big Bird agency is taking me. But also know this, I'm no longer alive because they'll never take me alive. Check this out. I cannot believe this. Yes. It is Jared. He's coming in the rain. I think he's going to come after me. Probably heard I stole some M&Ms. But if he didn't want me to have them, he should have locked his trailer. And he should not have family wrote on them. Oh, he's coming with his helmet on. Is he gonna attack me? I'm gonna hide in the forest. Hope that he doesn't get me. Aliens with white helmets. And it's the big bird people. I may not make it out of this alive, people. Remember me. Ah, he's friendly, he waved.